In this video, we will see in short what is the political party and what are the types. So political party is a concept in which we study how the governments are formed and why they collapse, what strategies they are using to gain power, how they are forming the alliance. Then in political party system, there are three types: single, dual, multi. In single means there is only dominantship of only one party. One political party is very powerful. And then the merits of political party, single political party. These are the merits and then these are the demerits. We have already seen this in the previous videos. Then next is the two-party system. It is called more democratic system. In the state there are only two political parties present. Then the merits. Then the demerits of the two-party system. Then multi-party system. In this there are two or more than two parties are present in the political system. It is called multi-party system. And then demerits. First is the merits. And then demerits of the multi-party system. Then the features of the Indian party system. First is one dominantship party. The first feature was the one dominantship party. Then different political parties came from the Congress party. Then all political parties have their leader hero. Then caste-based political parties means some parties use the name of a language, then religion. Such caste-based political parties were also formed. Then regional political parties were formed. These are the examples of regional political party. Then the ideology of the national political party and regional political party is different. Why the ideologies are different? Because the issues and problems faced by both the parties are different. So ideology can be adopted in a different way. Then central and the state government is different in the political party. Then it becomes difficult to administer. Then religion and the caste-based political parties are present in India. And the Indian party system is variable. Why it is variable? Because first we were having one dominantship party. Then it converted into two-party system. And now we are having the multi-party system. So here we have completed the party system topic.